Alright y'all, what's up? I am back with the Mark 5 and we are about to do a rec speed carbon lip kit. We got a front lip, side splitters, and rear spats. About to put these on, make this car look even more sick. Yes, wheels are coming, but with everything there's a delay right now because of COVID, so just a delay on everything. So we're still waiting on those, but as soon as those come in, he'll definitely hit me up so I can film and see the car and check it out with him. But without further ado, let me get going on this day to day, y'all. Also, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And let's keep this channel pushing 500 subs by fall. Weather trying to get crazy down here. Just as crazy as the A91. Got it mounted up. We gotta widen a few holes to fit the factory push pins. Great fitment. The lower bumper has some intricacies to it. Can't really see it, but it's a bunch of little intricacies right in that area that is molded to. They also use all factory hose. You can add more if you want, but we're just using the factory hose and push pins and 8mm screws. We got a 3M on there, but without that push pin up front to hold it in, it keeps sagging down just a tad. So just to be sure and make sure you don't lose this lip, we're gonna get those in to hold it up in the front, because otherwise we would need splitter rods to hold it up, and that's not the look he's going for. So after this, side skirts next, then rear spats, and then we're done. Sorry for being a little out of focus, head itching. Wearing a hat net for 12 hours plus a hard hat sucks. Makes for a dry scalp, itchy scalp. Alright, we got one side on. Working on the other side, just gotta put a double-sided tape on there. Man, it was tsunami. That trash can got blew over due to the wind. Surprised that none of the others blow over, but it was raining and blowing that hard. And as soon as it stopped and cleared up, nothing but police sirens and ambulances. I still got to check the weather to see if it dropped a tornado or not. But it was some wild weather. Let me go ahead and finish this install. Got to pull the tape off and screw it in. Then I'll be done there. Then alcohol those, dry the rear off, and alcohol that, and then we're done. Put it back down on the ground. Alright, y'all. Completed. Phone's about there, so I can't give y'all any flash. Full lip kit by Rex Speed, REXSPEED. And when I say fitment, man, this fitment is crazy. So it's so perfect. So perfect. Even when it comes off of there, they made sure it slant down and follow that. The curvature up under here, I didn't show it, but it's some curvature. They made sure it fit in that curvature also. Even up under the back bumper, it's a push pin here and a push pin here that they use to hold it up. They countersunk it within this so it'll fit in and fit as close to the body as possible. And everything is contoured. See how that goes down a little and goes up. They didn't miss a detail. Very detailed lip kit, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody with a 2020 Supra. But as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.